Imagine being able to create your reality with just the power of your imagination. Sounds like a superpower, right? Well, it's not a far-fetched idea. The law of imagination has been around for ages, and it's a powerful tool that anyone can use to transform their lives. Whether you want to manifest a new job, a loving relationship, or financial abundance, the law of imagination can help you achieve your goals. But what is the law of imagination, you might ask? Simply put, it's the idea that everything that exists in the physical world was first created in someone's imagination. From the chair you're sitting on to the phone in your hand, every physical object started as an idea in someone's mind. And the same goes for your life experiences. Your reality is a reflection of your thoughts and beliefs. Now, this may sound intimidating at first. After all, it means that we're responsible for everything that happens in our lives, both good and bad. But the beauty of the law of imagination is that it gives us the power to change our reality by changing our thoughts and beliefs. We can create the life we want by imagining it first, and then feeling as if it's already a reality. It's important to note that accepting the law of imagination doesn't mean denying the physical reality we live in. It simply means that we acknowledge that our thoughts and beliefs have a direct impact on our physical experiences. By understanding this, we can take control of our lives and create the reality we desire. So, are you ready to harness the power of your imagination and transform your life? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the law of imagination and how you can apply it to your own life. Remember when you didn't know about this law? You would think of someone you hadn't talked to for years, and that person would appear in your reality in minutes, hours, days, or weeks, either by texting you seeing their post on your feed, or meeting up with you. Or when you were singing a song that you love in your head, and that same song plays on the radio. Someone sings it, or that same song comes on your feed on your Instagram or TikTok. Exactly after some seconds or minutes of you singing that song in your head. Now, let's say you're in school giving exams, and you know these groups of people saying and claiming boldly, "I didn't study a thing, but I will still pass." And when the results come, they still pass even without studying. Or let's say you're talking with someone about a certain topic, and that same topic pops up in your social media apps. These are examples of how the law of imagination works. You imagine something, and it shows up in your reality in one way or another. The world projects what goes on inside your imagination. So if that's true, doesn't that mean imagination is the only true reality? Because the things you have, people's attitude towards you, literally everything was once imagined and felt, and they got revealed in your 3D because 3D reflects everything that is imagined and felt. So if imagination is the only true reality and you want people's validation, would you beg people for validation in 3D? Nope, you will simply claim in your imagination that you are validated by people and feel how it would feel if it were true, and that will externalize. One more thing, you are not trying to convince yourself of something that you're not. You are understanding that you already have the desire, you already have the marriage, the car, the house, everything because it's in here in your imagination. If you accept your desires and your imagination and feel them real and believe that you have them, you will no longer try to manifest it. Why? Because you literally have it. You wouldn't be stressed about making mistakes in your techniques, like, maybe I didn't visualize vividly during my SAT scene, or maybe I didn't affirm it enough. It doesn't matter because you literally have it. Why? Because you have it in your imagination, and imagination is the only true reality. And that's a wrap, folks. We've covered a lot today, from the power of imagination to the true nature of reality. We know this topic can be a bit mind-bending, but we hope we shed some light on the subject and helped you understand the incredible potential of your own imagination. Now it's up to you to take action and start manifesting the life you truly desire. Remember, you are the creator of your own reality, and the law of imagination is always at work whether you're aware of it or not. So why not make it work for you? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with the law of imagination. So drop us a comment below and let's continue the conversation. Thanks for tuning in, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Happy manifesting!